There are a number of different ways in which you can connect your Android device via Bluetooth to your new Panamera. One is through phone and another is through devices. For the first part of this video, we're going to go through the phone menu. Select the phone icon and then start search. On your mobile device, select Settings, Connections, and then Bluetooth. On the screen, you can see the phone. Select it. A pair request has come across. Check the two numbers on the screen, and on your mobile device, select Pair. Would you like to allow access to the contacts? Up to you. For this video, we'll select Allow. Allow access to messages. For this video, we will select Allow. Now you also see a pop-up to allow Android Auto. Yes. Your Android device is now connected via Bluetooth, and Android Auto is also active. Another way to pair your Android device to your new Panamera is through the Devices menu. Select Devices, Connect New Devices at the top, Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, select Settings, Connections, and Bluetooth. Here you'll see the device on the menu in the PCM. Select it. And you'll have a pair request on your phone. Make sure the numbers match between there and the PCM. Now you'll need to allow access to the contacts if you so choose. For this video, we're going to select Allow. Would you allow access to messages? Much the same, select Allow. On the PCM, you'll see a pop-up that says New Device Detected. Would you like to launch Android Auto? Select Yes. Your Android device is now connected via Bluetooth by using the Devices menu. Now we'll connect a second device via Bluetooth. To do so, you'll go to Home and then Devices. You'll need to turn off Android Auto to connect the second device. So we'll select the Android Auto icon and then Connect New Devices. Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, you'll select Settings, Bluetooth. You'll select your device on the screen. There'll be a pair request on your mobile device. Select Pair. Would you like to allow favorites and contacts to sync? Select Allow. Now it's going to ask if we would like to change the Bluetooth player. We can change the Bluetooth player. And here you can see on the Devices menu that is moved and highlighted the icon with the iPhone. New device detected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? Select Yes. Now Apple CarPlay is active on the PCM. You can switch between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto by going back to this menu. You'll select Devices, and you'll select this Android Auto icon. You'll notice that it switches the priority back to the Android, and Android Auto is now active on your PCM. As you can see here in the Devices menu, you have a wide variety of different options. You have the phone that you would like to use in the PCM for phone calls. You can also select which device you would like to use as a Bluetooth media source, and if you would like to activate Android Auto, you just select that icon. And that's how you connect two phones via Bluetooth to your new Panamera.